How to put ask me a question on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, all you have to do is just swipe right and it will lead you to your story. So in order to put ask me a question, you have to just click a picture. I'm going to click a very random picture, and then here you can see the option of the sticker at the top of the screen. So tap on it and here you can see different options. So under the option of questions, you can just add on the questions over here. So just tap on questions and here you have put ask me a question option over here. So here you just have to mention any question that you would want, such as how is your day going? So let's just ask those questions and the viewers will be able to respond in this box over here as you put up on the story. So thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.